Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Yes. Today is the appearance day of the great Vaishnav, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And I'm reading this one song that he has written in Kalpataru, the desire tree of auspiciousness. In that, he has mentioned in a poetic form, and it is his realization. So, आम्ही अति पामर दुर्जन की कुरीन हाय हाय प्रकृतीर दासताय काटाईनो अमूल्य जीवन. I am most wretched sinner, and I pass this priceless lifetime as a slave of matter. कोतोदिन गर्भाभासे कताईनो अनायासे बाल्य गेलो बलधर्म पासे ग्राम्य धर्म ए जोपामीचे दुनो विसर्जन वृद्ध कल एलो अवशेष. How many days did I pass in the womb? My childhood passed in childish activities. My youth was foolishly thrown away in household life, and only a old age is left. बिसई नाईक सुख भोग शक्ती सुबैमुख अंतदंत शरीर आशक्त जीवन जंत्र जंत्र नमोय मरणे ते सदा भोय बोलो किसे होय अनुरक्त. I have no power to enjoy sense pleasures. I turn from them. At the end, my teeth and body are powerless. My whole life is pain. I fear death. Tell me, how can I like this kind of life? भोगवस्तु भोगशक्ती ताते छिलो अनुरक्ति जे परजंत छिलो देहे बाल बल समस्त विगत होलो की लोइया थाकी बोलो एबे चित्त सदाई चंचला. As long as my body was strong and I had the power to enjoy, I was happy. Now my powers have all gone away. Tell me, what is my heart always restless now? Why is my heart are always restless now? सामर्थ्य थाकिते काय हरिना भजिनु हाय असन्न काले देखी बकोरी दिन मोर ए जीवन ना सादिनो नित्य धने मित्रचारी भजिलाम अरे. When I had the power, I did not worship Lord Krishna. So here it is said that whatever we get is by the mercy of the Lord only, and if we have done some good merits achieved in the previous life, then they are given to us for you know. So we feel that I can do what I like and don't need to do worship because you have got from the previous pious merits. But once that power is over, the power of this merits, then not realizing that it is coming from the Lord, one becomes bereft of these powers, and hence then his whatever enjoyment was apparent, enjoyment was there, it comes to a halt, and because the powers have all gone away, the merits are over, then one will have to suffer, and otherwise he has to keep gaining. Just like in our job, we are have to keep working. If you don't work, then you may not get the salary, and you have to run the household, so you have to do the job. When in the material world it is like this, why do we forget about the spiritual activities that must be also performed? We can ourselves get little inspiration from things that when we have to work, we know that we have to get money, then we have to work. The household needs that. So when this is the thing, then once our merits are over, we have to keep doing some pious merits if there is no higher goal yet defined for us. So if that is over, then what next? That we cannot think because of our ignorance. So when I had the power, I did not worship Lord Krishna. So it doesn't come to our mind that just as one day this job, when it is over, the salary will be stopped. So our merits are being rewarded. Once this is over, how will we remember Krishna and the good people around you? So we have to keep working, and what is a sure short way to do that is devotion to the Lord. So now the final moment has come. What will I do? My life was wasted. I did not find the eternal treasure. Turning from my true friend, I worshipped my enemies. So this is the Bhakti Vinod Thakur Maharaj's uh, song from his. It is a Upalabdhi. It is a realization. The desire tree of auspiciousness, Kalyan Kalpataru. And today is his disappearance day, which is a very auspicious day. So we can remember this and make the life a little bit better than what it is. Thank you. Hari Krishna.